What's happening, guys? December 4th. I'm back with another daily cryptocurrency video. Today, not much really going on in terms of news. A couple things going on with Bitcoin, but nothing too earth shattering. So I figured I'd take a look at what's going on with the crypto market caps and see what's going on just in the landscape, the lay of the land, just to give you guys a good idea of what's going on. Let's say in the top, I don't know, 25, we'll take a look. Not go through each one by one, but the ones that stand out to me and kind of what I would do if I would be investing in them. So Bitcoin definitely near highs right now. So just taking a look at the last 7 days, this thing it just seems like it wants to push higher. It goes up, then it comes down, then it goes back higher. It's touching, it's trading at very close to highs. If we break this thing, we could see 13,000. I think pretty easily. A lot of people are saying that they're betting that this thing is going down, but you know what? It just won't give up. It's not giving up any steam. After each sell-off, it just seems like it's coming back stronger. So, typical for Bitcoin for sure. I mean, it's faced a lot of adversity over the years. So, any type of little news is not going to take this thing down, or it's going to take something crazy. So, I'm waiting for a pullback. It doesn't seem like it wants to give me one to go back into the position that I sold out. So we'll see what ends up happening. If it does end up breaking these highs, though, I'll probably be in for a quick swing trade, and that'll be a couple days at most. But I'm looking to get in at lower levels. So will that happen? I'm not sure. Will it go higher? Will it go lower? I feel like I say this on the same video. It is. We will see, right? I'm just checking out the 5 minute on Bitcoin, and just this thing is just holding tight, right? So it keeps on breaking new smaller highs on the hourly chart. We'll see if it can ricochet off this high break of 11.5, 11.6, and push towards these highs of 11.8, 11.9. We'll see if it even goes higher than that. Time will tell. I think it's been trading pretty volatile, so you can definitely make some nice trades on these swings. So if you're paying attention to it, I'm doing a little bit of stock market research too. This is interesting, right? The BTSC. Not telling too many people about this, but I'm thinking about getting in. So you got a little taste of that there. So Bitcoin. All right, let's go back. Ethereum. All right, Ethereum broke some highs last 7 days. Kind of not really doing much of anything, right? Goes up, it's coming down. Not really slightly trading with Bitcoin. If you look at these, metrics, it's kind of got somewhat of a similar chart. I want to see this break 480 though and start pushing towards these. I am an investor in Ethereum, so we'll see what happens in the next coming days, but hasn't really done much. I wish it would trade a little bit more. So let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash up 0.59 today. Not really doing much of anything either. Definitely keeping my eye on this one. Looks like at least in the 7 day, forming a little bit of a cup and handle, and we will see if that can break new highs and push towards here. But who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? Third largest market cap, so it's doing something right. Ripple. It seems to always sell off around this 25-cent area. So let's check it out. Let's see what's been going on in the last 7 days here. Yeah, 25 cents, 26 cents. Just seems to kind of just sell off here. Let's take a look at the monthly. Yeah, I don't know. Ripple's kind of humming along. Nice little trade here. So IOTA's been catching a lot of people's attention lately just because of the swings. Look at that move, guys. Can make a lot of money if you were in at a good level. Broke this high 160 and just been running since. So IOTA's nice trade. Wish I could say I was in it. I am not. But if it does pull back, let's say 253, it is kind of at these levels. I mean, I don't think it's a bad trade, guys. I don't think it's a bad trade at all. I'd probably be in, if it comes back to the 250 mark, I think that'd be a good entry point. Or even the $2 193 mark, that would be another good entry point. This thing looks like it's going to run even more than it already has. So keep an eye on IOTA for sure. Dash, let's take a look. Up 0.38 today. Another one that's just been gone absolutely insane since it pushed higher. Kind of bounced off this level, pushed through this resistance, bounced off it a couple times and just staying in this little area of kind of in the $750 $800 range right now. We'll see what happens if it breaks down or if it goes higher. It's probably going to be dependent on what Bitcoin does. So we'll see. It's looking like, based on the chart, it's got a little bit of a downward trend. So this one might break to the downside, but we'll see. We'll see. A lot of people are in this thing, so time will tell what's going on with Dash. Litecoin, another one of my favorites. Another one that's just been kind of trading around the same area last couple days. So, just kind of going back and forth between this 103, 90, 97-ish area. Definitely would like to see it break this high and go to clear blue skies. I like this for a long-term play. I think this thing is going to go to, I don't know, $200, $300, $400. I don't know. I see Litecoin having a very bright future, so I'm very heavily invested in Litecoin. So let's see what else we got. Bitcoin Gold down 0.23. It's kind of Cardano's another good one, 3.68 today. Let's check out what's going on in the past 7 days. This thing looks like it's wanting a break. Came down about 8 cents, trading around 13 right now. If this thing breaks 14 cents, who knows where this thing could go? Probably could double yet again. Liking Cardano, a lot of people are talking about it. Look at this move. Quadruple your money in a matter of days, right? I like it at these levels. I like it even better at, as it breaks this high right here, but I want to see it trade on some volume. So we'll see what happens with Cardano. Definitely keeping an eye on it. Monero, another favorite of a lot of investors, 6% up today. Let's check out the 7-day. Look at this. This thing is pushing towards us, 212. Wow, it's actually breaking highs right now. Let's see. Volume is actually kind of hanging in there. I mean, it doesn't really look like it's breaking out on any type of crazy volume. So, but the chart, that 3-month chart, looks very nice. It was a good trade at 120. Really nice setup right now. So we'll see if it breaks and see what happens. Yeah, the volume's not really coming in, but it did have a huge move upwards, so it might just be consolidating at these levels. But I think if it breaks that high again, I think it's going to push even higher to the 250, probably 300 range over the course of the next month or so. So I like Monero too. Don't have any though. Wish I did. Ethereum Classic, kind of the spin-off of Ethereum. It's kind of meh to me. Some people are in it though that I know of, so we'll see. This is just kind of trading along, broke highs too, but just kind of slowly on its downtrend. We see like this one trading at 30, anywhere from 30 to 33, going back and forth the last couple days, since the start of the month rather. Neo, I know a lot of fans of Neo, up 10% today. Let's check it out. So this one looks like it broke 39. Close to 42-ish right now. Let's check out the monthly. So it's looking like it's trying to come back to these highs right here at 46, 47, and we'll see what happens. If it breaks through, I would definitely be a supporter of Neo. Definitely close to these highs, so just keep an eye on it, guys. Keep an eye on it. EOS, I know another favorite, it's up 6.95%. This is looking like it's coming towards its high right here. If this breaks, watch out. It looks like the volume's starting to come back in within the last just month or so. It kind of just like died off over here, but some investors are they know some things. So we'll see. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Let's see. BitConnect, I know that's hitting new highs, 4.8. All right, if you're invested in BitConnect and you're following this one, I definitely am. So BitConnect very close to its highs. We'll see what happens with these guys. This is trading alongside of Bitcoin, so of course it's going to be at its highs. We'll see if it breaks. Check it out. Let's see. Lisk, another favorite, up 10%. Zcash, what are they doing? What's going on with Zcash? A whole lot of nothing. Let's take a look at Lisk. Oops, clicked the wrong one. Lisk, where you at? I like this move. 691. Definitely popping off this the support now. This resistance now became support. I like it at these levels, guys. Don't have any, but I definitely like it at these levels. It looks like it kind of every time it breaks above resistance, it uses it as support, which is good to see. So you never know. This thing could blow right past these $10 areas and kind of march towards $15, $20 range easily. And I'm not gonna go into any other ones, guys. Those are the ones that I'm taking a look at. I'm following very heavily. So if they break those markers that I've been talking about, IOTA, so crazy. Wish I had you, IOTA, but yeah, like I showed you the ones that I'm taking a look at. If you have any you want me to look at, just shoot me a note. I've been getting a whole lot of comments lately, guys. So if I'm missing yours, I apologize. I'm trying to sort through all of them, but it's really difficult. There's a lot of people leaving a lot of comments on my videos. So leave a couple comments on a couple different videos if you want me to take a look at a coin in particular. I'll try my best to, if it catches my attention. If you do like a couple in a row, it should catch my attention. But like I said, there's a lot of comments coming in, a lot of people throwing in their affiliate links with it for every friggin' affiliate program out there. So it's kind of hard to weed through everything. So just I'm bound to see it sooner or later. So just keep trying in the comments below. Stay subscribed. Hit that bell at the bottom. To be notified when I'm coming out with new videos, because you might not see even if you're subscribed, you might not see my videos, but YouTube will let you know once I come out with a new video that very moment. So hit the little bell so you can be updated as soon as I go live with the video. And if you like this kind of video, this kind of content, just leave me a like and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And I really appreciate all the love that you guys have been showing me lately. So thank you for tuning in yet again and listening to me ramble on these these altcoins. I really appreciate you guys. And like I said, if you have any questions, leave them below. And I will see you in tomorrow's video.